Hi, welcome to Overture by DF Music. I'm Dana Hofer and I'd like to show you how to oil this trumpet. The first thing you want to do is remove the valve cap and pull the valve out a little bit, and then take your oil and put a few drops on the valve, and then you can work it around a little bit and slide it back in. And you want to make sure on this trumpet there's a number on it. It says number 1 for the first valve, and you're going to want to put it in and let the valve guides click into position. Then you would screw the cap back on, and you would do that for each valve. One of the reasons you want to oil the valves is not only to lubricate the valve, but to help wash out stuff that builds up in the valves. And as you play the instrument, you essentially blow the oil out, so you need to keep adding oil. If you're playing the trumpet many hours a day, I would say you should oil it every day. If you're just playing a few minutes a day, you could get away with maybe every other day. One thing you don't want to do is wait until the valves quit working before you oil it. It's better to oil it more often on a regular basis.